Hello and welcome to another episode of Vibrant Life. I got a comment, someone wrote that they wouldn't want their whole life to center around food. So does my life revolve around food? Does your whole life revolve around eating and food if you're a vegan? No! Absolutely not. I love how food tastes. My life involves food and I eat food. I do post pictures of food a lot on my Instagram account. I'm gonna put the link below in the description. People ask me what I eat all the time and I think it's the easiest way to show them what I eat is to take a picture of it. It's not something I think about all the time. I just keep doing what I'm doing. So I hope that answers the question or the comments. Have a nice day. Yay! Food a lot on my Instagram account.